All right, good afternoon. On this occasion, I will present about my paper entitled Sustainable Supply Chain Modeling, a review based on the application of the system dynamics approach. Okay, I will share screen first. Okay, for the first section is about introduction. The study is review-based, aiming to pinpoint existing issues related to modeling sustainable supply chains using the system dynamics approach and providing insightful information for advancing understanding and supply chain modeling to be sustainable, flexible, and resilient. The emphasis of the modeling review on the application of the system dynamics approach in this investigation is grounded on its comparison with other simulation models, such as agent-based simulation models or discrete event simulation models, where system dynamic is not as complex as other models for modeling actual system operations, and them best appropriate for the range of study required by sustainability modeling. The study aims to address 4 research questions. Research question 1, what are the dynamics and behavior of supply chains in the context of sustainability? Research question 2, what challenges does supply chain management face regarding sustainability and what strategies are implemented to overcome these challenges? Research question 3, what decision-making perspective and context are the system dynamics approach addressed in sustainable supply chain modeling? And the last research question, what are the future directions for sustainable supply chain modeling? Okay, we go into the next section, that is method. The study used thematic analysis procedures within the context of literature review. Literature selection was carried out based on several criteria. Criteria 1, have the keywords system dynamics plus sustainable supply chain. Criteria 2, publication from 2020 to 2023. Criteria 3, only articles in English and open access. Criteria 1 is inclusion criteria, while criteria 2 and 3 are exclusion criteria. Review papers were not included in the study because they conflicted with the aims of this activity. Sources for literature encompass 2 research databases, that is Web of Science by Clarified Analytics and Scopus by Elsevier. The filters apply for the literature search. We can see on the table. This is presented the search string and the selection process resulted 8 articles from Scopus and 9 articles from Web of Science. However, 7 articles eliminated due to duplication, so resulting in a final selection of 10 articles. Okay, and the next section is about result and discussion. Initially, studies identified themes, followed by developing narrative for each theme. And this is the coding framework, where left column is about original or sub-themes, and the right column is final themes. The original coding yielded 19 attributes. However, the original coding was then adjusted and grouped, so the final coding identified only 5 distinct themes. That is dynamic modeling, supply chain behaviors, supply chain management issues, sustainability strategies and implementation, and decision-making horizons. Okay, we look at them one is about dynamic modeling. This theme investigates dynamic modeling that uses the system dynamics approach from review studies to understand how supply chain system evolve through feedback loop and other dynamics components. This themes refers the key dynamics in technology adoption, sustainability practice, risk management, and resource use. The strengthening loop drives growth in technology adoption and sustainability, where the balancing loop helps stabilize the system by addressing fluctuations, ensuring resilience, and optimizing supply chains. For them too, is about supply chain behavior. This theme explore activity patterns, interaction, and performance in supply chain to gain insight into supply chain behavior and its impact on sustainability. Supply chain adapt to demand fluctuations and sustainable practice embracement. They leverage technology to enhance efficiency, manage risk, and address regulatory requirements, even at higher cost, to improve quality and performance. Theme 3 about supply chain management issues. This theme explores the various challenges and problems encountered in the planning, coordinating, and implementing activities involved in the supply chain. Supply chains encountered challenges includes theoretical gaps in integrating sustainable supply chain management and circular economic principles. The complexity of coordinating multiple processes and interactions, technology integration, disruption mitigation, risk and cost management, and barriers posed by stakeholders. Theme 4 is about sustainability strategies and implementations. This theme explores the direction of decisions and actions of a sustainable process applied to the entire system, coherence between subsystems, and the cumulative impact of actions taken. This theme suggests that organizations achieve economic sustainability by optimizing resources, maintaining operational effectiveness during disruptions, addressing industrial innovation and inequality, balancing production costs, leveraging technology, and supporting organic farming with market incentives. Achieve environmental sustainability by promoting green energy, managing climate risk, reducing energy use, waste, and emissions, and adopting sustainable farming and circular economic practice. Achieve social sustainability through fair supply chain practice, addressing inequality in digitalization, providing rural employment and nutritious products, and engaging stakeholders. It also reveals that only 1/3 of studies cover all 3 sustainability aspects. The remaining articles focus on just 1 or 2 dimensions. The last theme is theme 5 is about decision-making horizons. This theme explores decision-making in studies reviewed based on 3 horizon perspective. There is short-term, mid-term, and long-term. Short-term decision-making focuses on optimization and efficiency. Mid-term decision-making centers on mitigating disruption and adapting technology. Long-term decision-making priorities green energy, digitalization, organic farming, environmental risk management, and circular economic integration. It also reveals that most studies using the system dynamics approach for sustainable supply chain modeling emphasize long-term decisions. This theme concludes that system dynamics approach supports strategic, tactical, and operational decision making. Okay, after reviewing the related theme about the context of the study, and then I can get the insight for the future direction for sustainable supply chain modeling. Future research should one, validate sustainable supply chain modeling management and circular economic models through empirical studies and case studies to ensure practical relevance for managers and policymakers. Second, investigate how supply chain models adapt to demand and policy shift with a focus on green energy use in industrial settings. 3, assess stakeholder engagement, policies, and cost-benefit analysis to ensure economic viability, especially in sustainable agriculture and organic farming. 4, develop models integrating environmental and operational risks and apply them across industries to assess adaptability and generalizability. And the last, explore challenges in scaling sustainable technologies, integrating life cycle assessments, and assessing global economic and digitalization impacts on sustainability. And the conclusions of my study. This review found that only 1/3 of publication address all three sustainability aspects, highlighting the need for future research to better integrate this dimension in sustainable supply chain models. A comprehensive framework and integrated risk management approach are essential for improving supply chain resilience and sustainability, supporting policymaking and enhancing management practice. Due to the limited range of literature reviewed, future research should examine a broader set of publications across different periods to achieve a more comprehensive understanding of sustainable supply chain modeling. Okay, I think enough for my explanation and my presentation, and thank you.